Hindi ya mambura ma mwaka uyu ma unduire ma Ura Gate maria mahariirio kaunti-ini ya Tharaka Nithi. Hindi ya mambura maya aikari a gicigo giki meyumiritie na njira nene gukungwira na gwitira unduire wao kuma nyimbo, irio, miikarire na ruthiomi. Minista wa UGENDI MIANO agatariria bata wa mambura ta maya, riu akiuga ino niyo njira iria huthu muno ya kuguciriria agendi aria mangikorwo na wendi wa kumenya unduire wa andu na icigo itiganite.
This is the 10th year since these festivals started, and I have seen today that the festival is growing in size and numbers. We had very many performances by about 47 groups.
MIANO agatariria ati bururi wa Kenya gukorwo na ndurire makiria 40 ni utonga munene kuona utiganu wa unduire na mekere ya maundu ni undu wa gwitirwo undu umwe na kuguciriria agendi.
We are diversifying our tourism products by including cultural tourism and making mature cultural festivals. Ura Gate is very well situated. It is at the gate of Meru National Park. It is the nearest entry to Meru National Park from Nairobi. Just today, we have announced that the government will partner with the county government here in Tharaka Nithi. The county government will provide land, and national government is going to fund a cultural center right here at the Ura Gate.
Ihinda-ini riu thirikari NIERANIIRE itanya ria kwambiriria mubango wa mwanya wa gukungwagira unduire wa ndurire itiganite, undu uria ugwikirirwo kalenda-ini ya thirikari kwitukira ruhonge rwa kibururi rwa kugacirithia unduire.
We want to participate with the communities, with county governments. The government is willing and ready to map out this product and sell it out there and market it. From such events, there are several ways that communities benefit. It is a whole value chain, but we want to take it a notch higher. If we are able to bring investors, there will be job creation, businesses will grow, and eventually we'll even work on a formula where investors have a revenue share with the communities.
Mambura maya maharagiririo mwaka rita rimwe magithie na mbere gukura undu umwe na kwendia uthaka na ugemu wa ndurire cia gicigo kia Meru na Tharaka Nithi, guku aikari makiguneka ona nginyagia kibeca. Hadi nyaka TV retera kwani bataru wa Mwagi.